really great travel hack to get better deals on accommodations, such as your next hotel or vacation rental type places like an Airbnb, is actually to book direct. So how can you find these direct websites? Well, it's really easy if you use the Get Directo extension. Go to the Chrome Web Store. You will look for Directo and you would click here. So it's super easy because all you have to do literally is click Add to Chrome. And you go to Airbnb and perform a search as you normally would for whatever place you're going to and how long you want to stay. And so the results will download as usual, and you will start seeing the Directo listing right here. These places have the direct websites, and you can probably get a better deal if you visit them. So let's say I like this apartment, it looks good, about 672 euros total for 3 nights. I would click on it and go on the direct website. I come here, see all the available apartments, and I find the exact same one I was looking at, the deluxe and brand new apartment in Sol, and I can see that the total price is much cheaper, 570 versus 672, so almost 100 euros less. So see why I said that booking direct is a great hack?